What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have some exciting news today. The Zero Maserati Grecale model has been born. Yes, the Zero model of the Grecale means the first actual production vehicle has been born. Now, Carlos Tavares, following in the footsteps of what he did at the plant where he stayed for 6 hours in the morning, also visited the Cassino plant. And today from Cassino comes the news that the first complete model of the Maserati Grecale has rolled off of the production line today. Now, the CEO therefore may have taken the opportunity to take a closer look at the D segment SUV with Trident. And Tavares has also recently defined Cassino's production of high quality. First test production of the Maserati Grecale, also known as Job 1 or Zero model, is a fact. The regular start of the production is expected to take place in October of this year, so we'll expect some road test models already in the coming month. Now, those who had the pleasure of seeing the car at the Cassino plant report that the Maserati Grecale is pleasing to the eye, balanced and elegant. For the next project in Cassino is the further development of the Giulia and Stelvio for their restyle. Now, this update will be presented later on this year where we'll get a better look at the restyled Giulia and Stelvio. But with that said, the first Maserati Grecale that is built in the same plant as the Giulia and Stelvio has just been built. That means Zero model, obviously not one to be sold, but it's an actual assembled car, working, driving, moving car that is going to be more than likely toured for the launch of the Grecale when it's taken around, just like the MC20 just was. So with that said, very exciting. Maserati's got a lot down the pipeline, even though they've just done the Trofeo lineup. They had the MC20 launch and they have more. The MC20 Spider, the all-electric version, Gran Turismo, Gran Cabrio, and now we have the DSUV. Maserati has a lot coming down the pipeline, so this should get interesting, and this is the start of it right now. So with that said, what do you guys think about the Maserati Grecale, the DSUV? Are you excited? Are you ready to see what this thing is going to look like and sound like riding on Alfa Romeo's platform? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the first model Maserati Grecale being completed. With that said, if you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. Just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2, help support your boy. You can also check out the Patreon as well, be a monthly subscriber there, or check out the Ron's Rise merch where you can get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise there. You can also follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See everything I'm posting in Maserati, Ferrari, and Alfa Romeo. It doesn't always make it to the channel. And with that said, make sure you subscribe, but click that notification bell after you do so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.